Late one night, Ruby sat alone, staring at her gold bars, her legacy, her safety. Suddenly, a cryptic message popped up on her phone. The future of gold is digital. Are you ready to evolve? Confused but intrigued, she followed the link to a mysterious platform offering digital gold backed up by blockchain. The more she read, the more uneasy she became. Was this a revolution or a trap? Her hands shook as she hovered over the invest button, unsure whether she was stepping into a new world or a dangerous game. What's up, people? Sneha Jindal signing in, and you are listening to the Fin Talk by VKG Assets. If you are ready to take charge of your finances, grow your wealth, and learn some new tricks along the way, you are in the right place. You guys must have these common questions whether digital gold is safe. Can digital gold be as valuable as physical gold? Before answering that, it is important to know about the history of gold. It's been over 5,000 years of gold being a symbol of wealth and medium of exchange. Its journey began in ancient Mesopotamia, where it was first valued for its rarity, beauty, and durability. By 600 BCE, the Lydians were the first to mint gold coins, making it a standardized form of currency. In the 19th and early 20th century, many nations adopted the gold standard, linking their currencies directly to a fixed amount of gold, stabilizing the global economy. While physical gold is a trusted store of value, it comes with several downsides. Like, it is always important to securely store the physical gold to prevent theft or damage. Also, selling physical gold can be slow and cumbersome and also include paying fees for refining or appraisal. It is difficult to transport gold or diversify holdings across different locations without significant logistical efforts. While rare, physical gold can be counterfeited or altered. Verifying its authenticity adds another layer of complexity to transactions. On the other side, digital gold is a game changer for modern investors, offering a host of advantages that traditional gold simply can't match. Imagine being able to buy, sell, or trade gold from anywhere in the world at any time with just a few taps on your phone. No more worrying about expensive storage, walls, or security. Your gold is safely stored on the blockchain. Blockchain technology is the backbone that makes digital gold secure, transparent, and easy to trade. You can even invest in smaller fractions, meaning you don't need to buy a whole bar to get started. Plus, with digital gold, you are protected by transparency and fraud proof technology. Thanks to blockchain immutable ledger. The best part? It's incredibly illiquid, so you can buy and sell without delays and with much lower fees than traditional gold. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting, digital gold makes owning a piece of the precious metal more convenient, cost effective, and efficient than ever before. Despite its many advantages, digital gold faces several challenges. One major hurdle is market volatility. Though gold is traditionally a stable asset, digital gold platforms can experience fluctuations due to market sentiments or regulatory shifts. Cybersecurity risk also remain a concern, with hacks or platform vulnerabilities potentially threatening investors' assets. The transition from physical to digital can be intimidating for those unfamiliar with blockchain or digital wallets, and regular uncertainty continues to hover over the industry, leaving many unsure for its future. Trust in these digital systems is still evolving, making some cautions about fully embracing them. Will digital gold eventually replace physical gold, or will it coexist as an alternative? Think about it.